Hi guys, it's Hani here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to make these adorable Easter chick cookies. I hope you guys will enjoy this tutorial and let's get started. To make the cookies I used my sugar cookie dough recipe, and to make this shape I used 3 cutters from Sweet Sugar Bell cookie cutter set. First was the egg cutter, I used the scalloped edge trimmer, and I also used, I think this was a snowman cutter. But you can see it can be used for different things. So now let's get started with the decorating part. I'm using yellow royal icing 15-second consistency to ice the top of the cookie. Let that crust for a couple minutes and then take green royal icing and ice the bottom. Again, I'm using 15-second consistency. Use the needle tool to shape the icing while still wet. While green icing is still wet, take white royal icing and pipe lines across. Use icing that is 15-second consistency, or it could be slightly thinner. We're gonna make several chicks with different designs on the bottom. Top is going to stay same, but the bottom will have different colors and different designs. So here I'm using pink royal icing. Again, this is 15-second consistency. And once again, we're gonna do wet on wet design. I'm going to make cute little flowers. So starting with the center of the flower, using yellow royal icing, and then we can use white royal icing for flower petals. Now to finish the design, use white royal icing on the edge and then dip it in or dust it with white sanding sugar. Make the beak using orange royal icing Now make the eyes using black pearl icing. Add a little bit of color to the cheeks using edible petal dust. And you're going to repeat that on all of the cookies. So first you're gonna make the edge with white pearl icing and then dust it with white sanding sugar, and then you can finish the face. For the beak and eyes, use icing that is about 20-second consistency. And there you have it, totally adorable Easter chick cookies. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time.